Hi, in this video we will learn some basics about classes and objects in Unity. In C# programming languages, objects are elements or instances of a class. In Unity, objects also called the thing that is in a Unity scene, like game assets, sprites. It can be, when we play a game, it can be guns or coins. Let me show you. Let's create one script. So here when we open the script, it already tells us that it is a class. So that means this script is a class. So for now we have one game object, is main camera. So we can attach this script inside the camera and we will see it here. Remove one, and here we see our script here. So a method is an action which the subject is able to perform. So method is a block of code which runs when it's called. You can pass data or object known as parameter into a method. So let me show you one example. So this is our method, and when our program is started, it call our method and give number 10 as a parameter, and then our method get this parameter and print this message. And now let's save it. And now, because we already attached the script inside the main camera, so when we start our game, we can see our message with given parameter. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. In the next we will take a look of Unity editor and I will show you how to add sprites and game objects. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.